Hey guys, welcome to my mom's baking channel. Today we will be making M&M's brownies. I love everything with M&M's, ice cream, cookies, and brownies. Today I will show you how quick and easy it is to make these super yummy M&M's brownies. So let's get right into the video. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line the bottom of a square brownie pan. In a large mixing bowl, add 115 grams of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 125 grams sugar, and 125 grams of brown sugar. Mix this until everything is well combined. I'm now going to add in the 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give everything a quick mix. Now I'm going to sift some 65 grams of all-purpose flour, 45 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix this all together just like so. Finally, we can now mix in the 100 grams of chocolate chips and the 100 grams of M&M's. This is how the mixture should look like. Look at all the M&M's and chocolate chips. We can now pour the mixture into the prepared baking pan. Don't forget to top your brownie with the remaining 60 grams of M&M's. Pretty easy, huh? Bake this for 25 to 30 minutes maximum. Do not overbake or else you won't get that fudgy texture. My brownie's done baking. I baked mine for 28 minutes. Let this cool down completely. These M&M's brownies are so good. They're fudgy, rich, and really chocolatey. I like that these are colorful and fun to make. You guys must give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my mom's baking channel for more yummy recipes. I want to shout out my family, friends, and my channel. My channel will be in the description box below. See you next time. Bye!